Hello everyone, myself Richa Singhe. I have taken the tutorial assignment on ML using Python provided by S Skyfi Labs. I show my highly gratitude towards AICTE for providing this opportunity during lockdown. Now I will start my presentation on data pre-processing. So firstly I am introducing how to download Python in search Google, and after that recent version arising in Google screen. So I am here downloading 3.3 3.7.3 Python version. So after that I show Anaconda Navigator, then Jupyter notebook, and launch the Jupyter notebook. Then I will go to the screen this. So here we are using so much commands. After that, now I am going to Jupyter notebook. Here machine learning with data pre-processing. So the 5 steps involved in solving with any problem using machine learning with Python. First one is data pre-processing. Second, define error. Third, split the data into two parts. That first one is training data and second one is testing data. Fourth one is train the model. Choose the algorithm for ML with using Python. Fifth one is prediction. So first, so I'm focused here. First one is data pre-processing. Here I am using this import BH data. The Boston House data is already present in the Skylearn library. So just import using all the libraries, so which is already present in Python. When we are using machine learning, then we can import. So this data is easily provided in this. Now second is import this command. So NumPy library used to handle multiple dimensional array. And second is Pandas open source easy to use structure and data analysis tool for the Python, and import this for it is a collection of command style function work like MATLAB. And next, animation for using and makes an animation by repeatedly calling a function. It helps the visualization learning process. SCI Kit Learn is a free software machine learning for the Python program language. Now I am using this command. This function compute the mean squared error between predicted value and the true value, and selection of the data, and then the pre-processing import. So I am using here min max scalar command also, and this is IPython display. This is used to display result on the screen. So here basic commands for machine learning. Now in this case we are looking to predict the price of house. So let us begin with first step, data pre-processing. So load the data set and store in it a variable called Boston. Now Pandas provide the data from the Python. Data frame allows us to easily work with data and run queries row and column. So here use the run command, then I'll show you number of instance here 506 and number of attribute present here 13. So here all the data which is from Boston. So in the screen. Now let us do a small exercise to select A's and display it. I'll show you. This is a single command. When show all the features and then age. So in features, particular features of age, this one, so show all the ages. Now next one is target. Let's try to maximum and minimum price of house in the data. So show here target as a column. So this is showing screen. Now maximum and minimum value of first command is for maximum and second one is minimum values. This is show minimum value of prediction of house. Now concatenation program. So we construct the full data set object in one line. So here we will further use in this particular command and df to print the concatenated data frame, type df and execute. So here use the run command, then as I am seeing the all the attributes using one command. So thank you for watching. This is data pre-processing in machine learning when I am using Python. So thank you so much.